Greetings of the day to all. Today we the students of Presentation Convent Senior Secondary School are here to share some eco-friendly Diwali ideas.
Let's light up this Diwali without actually lighting up ozone layer.
Okay, what do you mean by that? A Diwali without firecrackers? You must be joking.
No, I'm not joking, my friend. Instead of those firecrackers, we can go for plantable firecrackers.
Plantable firecrackers?
Yes. Why grow pollution when we can grow solution?
Okay, I'm in, but what about the decoration? Can we still go all out with the lights?
Of course we can. But instead of those energy bursting bulbs, we can go for LEDs and solar lights. They glow brighter and they last longer and they won't break your electricity bill box screen.
But don't tell me we are saying bye-bye to the gifts I get as well.
Of course not. Sapling can be used as gifting and also for decoration.
Decorating the houses with these leaves? That's such a boring idea. I guess we can do better.
Of course we can. But why don't you use your old industrial brain for this?
That's so mean. Why are you demotivating me? I have a better idea. We can use these colorful dupattas, diyas and many other eco-friendly items which are beautiful and reusable as well.
Of course.
Sweets and snacks we share with care and light up the night with loving air. स्वच्छता का संकल्प लिए हरित दिवाली मनाएंगे, इस बार घर आंगन खुशियों से महकाएंगे. So let's pledge today to celebrate in a new way, keeping nature close every single day.
इस बार ना देंगे दुख प्रकृति को, स्नेह और प्रेम से भर देंगे सबके आंगन को.